An ideal tree for wet areas.
We plant about 500 of these trees each year. People buy these trees because they're not only beautiful, but they can grow in a special area in your landscape. One of the most common questions that people ask us about their landscape and trees and shrubs for their landscape is, what do you plant when your landscape is wet, or you have a basin, or an area that stays moist for long periods of time, or has heavy, thick clay soils? Well, there is a tree that is very good for those locations, although it is not going to grow in standing water if it stays standing for long, long periods of time, but it can take a lot of wet areas and a lot of wet weather and can be planted in a basin if it dries out periodically. That tree is the river birch tree. Many people grow the river birch tree as a three-stemmed tree because its unique exfoliating bark gives a lot of interest in the winter. River birch trees are also fairly resistant to deer and buck rubs, especially if you have a three-stemmed tree. We sell a lot of river birches at Highland Hill Farm and other trees and shrubs that are used in wetland applications. You can call us at 215-651-8329 for help in selecting trees and shrubs for a wet area or lawn or a basin.
This is our tree spade digging a 5 to 6 foot river birch at Highland Hill Farm. Birch trees add a lot of character to your landscape, even in the winter months.